And then उसके बाद there came a point when I इतनी काम करने की आदत पड़ गई थी and I just took whatever came my way and it got shut in a month. Then again a show that I did, it got shut in a month. It happened twice. वो confidence shatter, फिर वो अलग अलग depressive thoughts कि यार is this where people vanish. Sometimes when I feel low, आजकल भी होता है ना, तो मैं खुद को बोलती हूँ कि वो वाली जो बंदी थी ना, जो मतलब वो उठा के आ गई थी बॉम्बे बिना किसी वर्कशॉप के, बिना किसी थिएटर के, वो वाला कॉन्फिडेंस याद कर. So I believe in such kind of friendships कि मतलब तुम हर आए दिन नहीं मिल रहे हो, तुम महीनों तक भी नहीं मिल रहे हो.
Exactly.
तुम 2 महीने तक तुम्हारी बात नहीं हुई है, but when the other person needs you, you are there. तुम उसके खुशी गम में हो.
That's the best one.
हो नहीं भी हो यार, if the other person needs you. यार, toxic alpha male is a problem. Alpha male, I don't have a problem with. Everybody likes alpha male. But toxicity is the problem.
Hey guys, I'm Manjari Mukherjee and you're watching me on Pop Diaries channel. I'm in conversation with someone जिसको आप और मैं दोनों बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. वो हम लोग को छोटे स्क्रीन से हमारा दिल मोह ले चुकी है already and now we are looking at her on OTT space and cinemas and we are just manifesting more and more good things coming her way. Why? Because she's talented, she's beautiful and everybody is fida on that smile. Yes. Well, we are talking about nobody but the one and only Asha Negi and she is with us on Pop Diaries.
I love this intro. Thank you so much. How
Thank
sweet
you.
यार guys. दिन बना देते हो मतलब.
Thank you. वो मेरा तरीका है. लोगों को ऐसे झांसे में डालना.
Good now, what a good start.
Thank you. But Asha, I want to first ask you, how are you feeling right now? Like, what is happening around you, and how is life right now?
What is happening? I'm feeling productive this week. उससे पहले I had fallen sick and then I went to Bangalore to my sisters to take a break because कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है ना, एक तो इतनी बारिश हो रही है ना.
Exactly. I know.
मतलब ऐसा हो रहा है कि और कहाँ चले जाए यहाँ पे बस अभी.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
है ना?
I feel very bored when it's raining. Like
I
मुझे
feel
ऐसा
very
लगता है.
bored. I feel like eating junk food. I feel like not leaving my house.
True.
I feel the least productive when it's raining. So अभी सुनो ना बस यार अभी. But अभी तो शुरू ही हुई है.
Exactly. And now the whole season is still left.
Yeah.
और इस टाइम पे ना बीच में जाना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है.
नहीं ओके तुम्हें लगता होगा मुझे तो घर से निकलना नहीं पसंद बिल्कुल.
वो अलग तरीके का एक वो है. वो बीच इन द सेंस कि गोवा में हूँ.
Oh, वैसे वाला बीच.
हाँ.
Look at us girls.
Exactly.
Sulking about the weather. But
I have actually always been very curious, Asha. When I have to say this to you. मेरे घर पे, when you were doing Pavitra Rishta and all, we loved you a lot.
Oh,
I have to tell you, we loved you a lot. My mom is crazy fan of Pavitra Rishta,
Yeah.
and she was a crazy fan of you. She's like,
my love.
इसके तरह ही बनो तुम, इसके तरह ही रहो तुम. And I'm like,
in my society there is this another building. वहाँ पे एक अंकल रहते हैं और उनको पता चला कि मैं यहाँ रहती बाजू वाली बिल्डिंग में. So he had watched Barish.
okay,
And Barish is on Z5.
yeah,
Similar kind of a vibe, like Purvi from Pavitra Rishta.
yeah, I know.
And he was such a huge fan of Barish and he told me that बेटी हो या बहू हो तो तुम्हारे जैसी होनी चाहिए. I didn't really want to break the bubble. But I was like मैं अपने मन में बोल रही थी, अपने फ्रेंड को बोल रही थी कि यार मुझे गिल्ट फील होता है ऐसे क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है इतनी अच्छी हूँ मैं, मतलब सच में इतनी अच्छी हूँ.
But I don't understand why break the bubble. I mean, everybody has its own shades.
Yeah.
It's all a part of one person, right?
Yeah, no, you're right actually.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And what you are as Asha now is because of the experiences you've had, the journey that you've had. So
Correct.
obviously,
and I gave a part of mine to the character in Barish.
exactly. I really feel
But
that.
और भी तो parts है ना. तो उनको लगता है वही part है.
But I feel that is all because of the narrative of the character.
Yeah. And beautifully written, beautifully directed,
Absolutely.
and they just fell in love with the character, and so much love I get. तो
I
मजा आता
know.
है.
But how did this filmy Keeda? Because I've heard that you also love watching movies a lot, especially documentaries,
Yeah.
which I have to say is मैं थोड़े थोड़े देख सकती हूँ, especially वो वाले जो thriller type के हो, ठीक है?
Not exactly documentaries, but like indie films and like you know the
My
films जो
God, you are like a film freak, huh?
I love it. And ये कुछ सालों से ही शुरू हुआ है ये मेरा passion जिसको बोलोगे, but in fact you know it happened because I saw failure. When I saw failure in my career, उसके बाद वो लगता है ना कि okay, you actually start to learn the craft. That's
Yes.
what happened with me. So when I had come, I had started getting work, and I hadn't really learned anything
Okay.
before coming in acting. So I came and I started working, started getting work, and whatever I learned वो job पे ही था. तो काम करती रही, then बड़े अच्छे लगते पवित्र रिश्ता, then नच बलिए, then 2-3 more reality shows, and then उसके बाद there came a point when I इतनी काम करने की आदत पड़ गई थी, and I just took whatever came my way, and it got shut in a month. Then again, a show that I did, it got shut in a month. It happened twice.
God.
वो confidence shatter, फिर वो अलग-अलग you know depressive thoughts कि यार is this where you know people vanish? तुम देखते हो किसी show में किसी को and
Yeah.
then
And then they
गायब.
suddenly they are
है ना?
गायब. I know.
So like okay, is it my turn now? Then I'm glad कि I went through that time because success पहली बात तो होता नहीं है, you know, there is always ups and downs. But when that point came, I started watching films. I started going for workshops. I did a couple of acting workshops and all. So I started working on my craft. I built this knack for watching films. And वो Mumbai Film Festival होता है.
Yes.
I started going for that. I enjoyed it so much. I used to like not sleep. सुबह उठ गए, सुबह अच्छा सबसे पहले ये फिल्म देखनी है, कॉफी पे जिंदा है. एक दिन में 5 फिल्म्स देख रहे हैं.
My God.
But you know,
मुझसे भी नहीं होता
I
ये
really
तो.
wait for Mumbai Film Festival every year. बीच में कोविड के टाइम पे नहीं हुआ था and I was so sad. But you know that's how I fell in love with my craft.
You do that, you know. I think it tends to happen when you watch a lot of things which are related to your own craft.
Yeah.
You start imbibing those things inside you and you
Correct.
understand कि इसको इस तरह से किया या फिर इस scene को इस तरह से किया उन्होंने. And you understand कि oh तो ये character ये इतना
Yeah.
terrific character उन लोगों ने इस तरीके से किया,
Yeah.
मैं ऐसे करती.
Correct.
तो वो चीज़ आता है.
Yeah, and then you start getting intrigued कि ये कैसे करा इसने.
Exactly.
And you know then you go and watch their interviews, फिर वो उनका वो बताते हैं तरीका.
Yeah.
Like it's beautiful यार. I've started enjoying it now.
But how did you even start? Like the whole point of starting an acting career is not easy, especially for someone who hails from Dehradun. Making that whole journey to Bombay and you know understanding कि हाँ मुझे यहाँ पे काम मिलेगा और काम मिला and then you do it, get into that showbiz industry. क्योंकि you know सब लोग तैयार नहीं होते इस industry के लिए. But you were. वो कैसे हुआ?
ऐसे कीड़ा तो बचपन से ही था कि अब लाइक मैं बिकॉज बीइंग फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल टाउन और फिर कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हें ये होता है कि ये तो कभी नहीं होगा तो तुम और अपना यू नो यू डू इट मोर ऑफन घर पे. आई यूज्ड टू गेट रेडी इवन एज अ किड. आई यूज्ड टू गेट रेडी, डांस इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर, लुक एट माई सेल्फ एंड बी लाइक कौन सी एक्ट्रेस की तरह दिखती हूँ मैं. डू ऑल दोज कीड़ास एंड और जब तुम्हें पता है कि कभी होगा ही नहीं तो तुम और एंजॉय करते हो उसको. देयर इज नो फियर.
Exactly.
Right. So then I used to do all that. फिर जब बड़ी हुई तो भी इतना कुछ था नहीं कि घर वाले कहाँ भेजेंगे यार. कोई दूर दूर तक नहीं है बॉम्बे में. Then there used to happen this state pageants होते हैं ना, तो मिस उत्तराखंड होता था. I used to go for my college, तो वहाँ पे पैम्पलेट मिल रहा था. I just took it, I got it home. मतलब मैं पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हूँ हाँ इसमें. तो मम्मी लोगों ने बोला हाँ इसका चलता रहता है. Then I participated, I won it, and I think that's where I got a little bit of confidence कि you know maybe it can happen. Maybe why not? Then I spoke to a couple of people who were in Bombay, like the सर बोलती हूँ मैं उनको, दलित सर जो मिस उत्तराखंड कराते हैं. तो मैंने उनसे बात की बिकॉज कुछ लोग थे बॉम्बे में फ्रॉम द अर्लियर पैजेंट जो उनका सीजन रहता है. Then he was like, yeah, why not? Go there, try. ये लड़कियां हैं तो वहाँ पे कर रही हैं कुछ ना कुछ. So he gave me that confidence. He convinced my parents. I remember I did not eat for 3 days. Yeah. And my father was like, भेजना ही नहीं है, तू खाना खा नहीं खा. मम्मी को थोड़ी सी दया आ गई थी तो फिर वो convince हुई, फिर उन्होंने डैड को convince किया. And I remember I had a friend in Mumbai. She was doing like a character. Like a part in one of the television shows long back. This was in 2010-11. So then I spoke to her. She really helped me out. I mean, she had somebody जिसको roommate की ज़रूरत थी, so she connected me with her. She came to pick me at the airport. So yeah, so I came in April 2011, and उसके बाद I started going for auditions with that friend only. और फिर उसके बाद तो
Everything is history.
Yeah,
And the present.
I mean, and you know, it just happened. ऐसे अपने आप होता गया, अपने आप पता नहीं कहाँ से confidence आ गया. Like sometimes when I feel low, आजकल भी होता है ना, and very low in motivation and all of that fears, तो मैं खुद को बोलती हूँ कि वो वाली जो बंदी थी ना, जो मतलब वो उठा के आ गई थी बॉम्बे बिना किसी वर्कशॉप के, बिना किसी थिएटर के, वो वाला कॉन्फिडेंस याद कर.
एक्चुअली यू नो इस पॉइंट में मुझे वही चीज़ याद आ रहा है कि whenever a person, हम लोग के यहाँ पे जब भी हम लोग बात भी करते हैं किसी के साथ तो हम हमेशा उनका सक्सेस याद रखते हैं.
हाँ.
लेकिन हम वो भूल जाते हैं कि वो किस चीज से गुजर के आए हैं.
हाँ.
वो जो स्ट्रगल है या फिर वो जो जर्नी है, एक्चुअली स्ट्रगल भी नहीं, वो जो हासिल किया है या फिर वो जो जर्नी उन लोगों ने जी है, वो इतनी ज्यादा लॉन्ग है उनके लिए क्योंकि कोई उस चीज के बारे में बात ही नहीं करता. एंड आई फाइंड इट वेरी इंट्रीगिंग. आई फाइंड दैट जर्नी एंड दैट प्रोसेस इटसेल्फ वेरी इंट्रीगिंग.
एंड आई थिंक फेलियर्स यार,
एग्जैक्टली,
failures teach you so much.
Absolutely. But there has to be one, I believe that I have also faced at least one rejection which I felt was, you know, very, very touching for me. तो ऐसा सबके ज़िंदगी में तो होगा ही ना, that one rejection or one failure which kind of really, really, you know, hurt you deep and you wanted कि you want to get over it, want to move over it. Maybe you also have, but वो फिर भी है, एक दर्द है.
यार इतना तो याद नहीं है मुझे, because being an actor there are rejections,
Lots of them.
so many.
But one project that you really wanted to do and बहुत ही फिजूल reason की वजह से नहीं हो पाया.
यार I swear बहुत होंगे ऐसे, but the thing is that I don't keep regrets कि
That's nice.
मतलब ठीक है अभी, क्योंकि एक तो शायद इतनी आदत हो जाती है ना being an actor कि फिर तुम्हें शुरू में शायद थोड़ा बहुत बुरा लगता भी है, बट उसके बाद आदत हो जाती है, हाँ ठीक है नहीं हुआ, कोई बात नहीं हुआ. बट ऐसा मुझे एक तो कुछ ऐसे याद नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन आई थिंक वो जब, एंड आई थिंक व्हाटएवर हैपेंस फॉर द बेस्ट. अगर मेरे वो 2 शोज बैक टू बैक बंद नहीं होते तो मैं ब्रेक नहीं लेती. आई वुडंट हैव गॉन थ्रू व्हाट आई वेंट थ्रू, एंड मे बी शायद मैं टेलीविजन ही कर रही होती, जबकि दैट जर्नी वाज आल्सो ग्रेट, बट नाउ आई एम हैविंग मोर फन.
But was that your most lowest moment?
It was. It was. It was one of the.
And it is really interesting how the silver lining was films only.
Yeah.
Watching films.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, because you basically run away from the thing that kind of causes you pain, right? It's a human instinct.
Yeah.
But you actually ran towards
it. And पता मुझे याद है तब नया all this started happening, coming Netflix and Prime. तो तब I started watching films. Otherwise उससे पहले क्या ही सिनेमा देखती थी. मतलब हाँ, I used to love Bollywood, but अगर तुम English films की बात करो तो जुरासिक पार्क और एनाकोंडा ये सब देखी है मैंने, या टाइटैनिक, वो जो DVDs VCRs अगर आते थे ना उस पे लगा के. अदरवाइज मतलब इंग्लिश फिल्म का तो यही पता था, और हाँ बॉलीवुड की फैन तो थी बचपन से. बट इनफैक्ट यार व्हेन आई वांटेड टू बिकम एन एक्टर, शुरू में आई वांटेड टू बिकम अ हीरोइन. लाइक मुझे ग्लैमर से प्यार था, मुझे आर्ट से इतना नहीं था. बट अब
you are more towards the
I'm
art.
more towards the art now.
Yeah. It's kind of a nice
है ना?
change.
It's growth.
Yeah, it's
I
growth
think,
as an
yeah.
actor, as a human being also, and that's
Yeah.
fantastic to watch.
Yeah.
But I feel that growth has happened even, you know, in personal life also.
Yeah, it does.
it
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 has-
touches you in a
Yeah.
certain way.
No. Oh my God, yes. In fact, when this failure that I'm talking about that happened, because I was at a very low phase of my life, I think it's very important to touch that low and then come up,
Exactly.
because you also grow as a person.
Hmm.
And in fact जो workshops भी थी उसमें भी I felt that I am evolving as a person as well. So उस period में I evolved a lot as a person, as an actor, and of course जो बाकी life में कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है तो उससे तो तुम evolve होते ही रहते हो.
Exactly.
And my point has been to handle anything with grace. कि you know,
But how do you keep your calm, Asha? I mean, because it is, कभी कभार life becomes very chaotic.
Yeah.
And your personal and
Most
your
of the time.
professional problems make you feel very boxed
yeah.
inside that one thing. And you keep thinking कि इसमें से कैसे निकले. And then अगर कोई extra factor add होता है ना उसमें जो तुम्हें irritate कर रहा है या फिर तुम्हें let down कर रहा है किसी तरीके से, तो you become more overwhelmed with that emotion. And that kind of, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, हावी हो जाता है वो तुम पे.
Yeah.
So how did you keep your calm? Did you keep your calm, or did you lose it maybe, or maybe you got overwhelmed, you had your breakdowns, but you still came out of it? How did it happen?
No, I do have my breakdowns. मतलब कुछ भी होता है तो मैं पहले रोती हूँ, उसके बाद सोचती हूँ क्या करना है. Like छोटी से छोटी चीज़ भी अगर जैसे गाड़ी को लग गई, कुछ हो गया, तो पहले रोती हूँ मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ ऐसे, और फिर उसके बाद सोचती हूँ क्या करना है, ठीक है, रिपेयर के लिए भेजनी है. तो सबका सोल्यूशन यही है, पहले ब्रेक डाउन, उसके बाद ट्राइंग फिगरिंग आउट कि क्या करना है. And otherwise, yaar, I think spirituality has helped me a lot. Yeah, and that also has happened. I think it started like majorly. It started in 2018-19.
Okay.
And that's when my spiritual journey started, and it has really helped me keep that calm that you're talking about. And yeah, I mean it centers me, and I do have people that I speak to, spiritual people also, and abhi I think with time na I'm getting more what do you get say not attracted, but I'm trying to have more spiritual people in my life who believe in God and who talk spiritual stuff, with whom I can sit and talk about aliens and universe and afterlife.
Oh my God, she's my kind of person.
Yeah, like मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि फिर बातें खत्म ही ना हो.
Absolutely.
And
I completely vibe.
पता है कितनी बार ऐसा लगता है when you're doing such talks with somebody who is also intrigued about such things, तो ऐसा लगता है यार ये क्या फालतू की वरीज लेके बैठे रहते हैं हम, इसने मुझे ऐसे बोल दिया, इसने मुझे ये किया,
Yeah,
इसने मुझे
true.
ये किया, तो ये सब कितना फालतू लगता है ना.
वही, I do one thing. अगर मुझे किसी ने कुछ बुरा बोल दिया, ठीक है, अभी रिसेंटली मैंने चालू किया है, मैं रैंट कर लेती हूँ उसको लेकर. पूरे दिन मैं रैंट करूंगी, मैं पापा को जाके बोलूंगी, मम्मी को बोलूंगी, मैं सबको बोलूंगी. अपने क्लोज में जितने भी लोग हैं, बहन को बोलूंगी, सबको बोलूंगी, और फिर मैं उस चीज को वहीं पे छोड़ दूंगी. हो गया, मेरे दिल से निकल गया सब जो भी है. और उसके बाद निकालने के बाद आई विल स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. आई विल लाइक कि वो तो देख ही लेंगे, ये तो देख ही लेंगे, वैसे में भी हम इसके बारे में क्यों सोच रहे हैं, दुनिया के बारे में सोचो.
Correct. Like I think पहले मैं कैसे, अगर किसी ने मुझे suppose somebody has been very toxic in my life, and like a lot of times stuff ends, friendships end, all of that. People send you like hateful messages and all of that.
Exactly.
People do that, right?
Yeah.
People still do that. I don't know. I don't understand why. But my reaction towards it is थोड़ी देर के लिए बुरा लगेगा, and थोड़ी देर is like few hours, okay? And then उसके बाद मैं भूल जाऊंगी, and कुछ टाइम बाद मुझे उस इंसान के लिए बुरा लगने लग जाएगा कि कितना hurt होगा that person is trying to hurt you.
Exactly. Like what kind of suffering are they going through in their
Going
life that
through.
they are putting that thing, that energy
Yeah.
forward towards you.
And I think that's what it could be spirituality कि तुम धीरे-धीरे समझने लग गए हो.
Yeah.
So
And you start becoming more calm and centered about it. Oh
I mean,
God.
तुम जो इंसान तुम्हें hurt करा तुम उसके लिए बुरा feel कर रहे हो.
It's actually very funny जब हम लोग इस
It is so funny.
Yeah, I know. It is very funny when you're talking about it like that. But it stems from there only.
Yeah.
So it's an interesting thing. यार इस पे पूरा अलग से पॉडकास्ट हो
पॉडकास्ट
जाएगा।
बनाए. Oh my god, I love it. I love talking about it.
Yeah, actually, it's
Yeah.
a very holistic approach.
And you know, I've also started attracting such scripts these days. I
Wow.
was so happy. I was so happy.
इसी बात पे हम जानना चाहेंगे आप फ्यूचर में क्या कर रहे हैं बिकॉज अभी तो बात करेंगे बिकॉज I've seen we are talking about struggles and the reality of the the industry and everything, and you've recently done industry which is all about
Yeah.
showbiz, the reality of it.
Reality.
And
है ना?
yeah,
So
and your
real.
character is also something like that only.
Yeah.
Someone of a struggling actress who's
Similar.
trying to find her place.
Yeah.
So
similar.
in a way, it's kind of you're showing what the reality is like. और उसी से I kind of मैंने बहुत लोगों को जितने भी मैंने जो लोग भी टीवी इंडस्ट्री के बैकग्राउंड से आए हैं मैंने हमेशा उनसे जब भी बात की है they've said कि there has always been this perception when we've entered cinema कि ये लोग टीवी इंडस्ट्री है but I also feel कि now with the coming of OTT that perception has really broken.
Yeah, it is breaking.
And right now we feel that people are actually accepting industry people are actually accepting talents from the television industry, which is great.
Just so nice.
Yeah, because
Seriously.
मैं
It's a blessing.
yeah, I was listening to this casting director and उन्होंने अपने किसी इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि जब भी हम टेलीविजन एक्टर्स को लेते हैं there's a very unique distinction between them and other actors. It is the fact कि उन लोग बहुत टाइम पे रिएक्शन देते हैं.
अच्छा.
Like उनको सीन बोलो और वो कर रहे हैं. वो लोग सीन बोलो और वो सीन वो करते हैं. It's like that. It's rolling like that for them.
Yeah.
Because I think that is how it's shot and everything as well.
Exactly. Like I was speaking to somebody थोड़े दिन पहले and this I don't remember who but somebody from television only and I was saying कि यार कितना प्रोफेशनल बना देता है ना टेलीविजन हमको.
Exactly.
एक तो लाइंस लर्न करना वो हो जाता है क्योंकि कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ है कि आज शाम का टेलीकास्ट है और अब स्क्रिप्ट आई है सुबह या फिर कभी कभी हम वेट कर रहे हैं स्क्रिप्ट कब आएगी शूट करेंगे तो भेजना है क्योंकि शाम का टेलीकास्ट है. सो वो सब एंड देन इतना काम कर करके बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनलिज्म आ जाता है एंड आई थिंक वो सब टेलीविजन ही सिखाता है यार.
I agree. I honestly
इसीलिए
agree.
I'm saying now I'm enjoying because now I do a web series for a month or two, like a new character, and then I'm done. And then I'll take a break or I'll jump to something else, something new that I'm doing.
Yeah.
But
It's a relaxing process.
Yeah. इसीलिए like a lot of people they ask me would I do television तो मुझे लगता है patience नहीं रहा यार. बात और कुछ नहीं है बस अब patience नहीं रहा उतना.
Right.
मतलब तब शायद यंग भी थे अब
No, please. I disagree to this point. Young भी थे. You are pretty young. आशा, please.
पता है कितनी कमर दर्द होती है.
वो मुझे भी होती है. And I'm pretty sure every person, even a Gen Z, feels कमर दर्द.
यार आई डोंट नो अबाउट द जेन ज़ी बट बहुत कमर दर्द होती है यार. मुझे पता है पहले बचपन में लगता था मम्मी इतना कमर दर्द बोलती रहती मुझे ना झूठ बोलती है अटेंशन के लिए. I swear.
नहीं. My mom also complains about the same thing. Body ache कि वो कितना काम कराते हो मुझसे and everything.
बट हमारी तो अभी से हो रही है कैसे चलेगा.
नहीं
फट गई.
because ऐसे टाइम पे मैं ऐसे नहीं बोलती हूँ फट गई.
अच्छा हाँ ओके.
Okay, coming back to this.
Yeah.
So now looking forward to the journey. मुझे ये जानना है कि there's this one more thing interesting fact जो मैंने अभी मुझे recently पता चला. मुझे पता ही नहीं था इसके बारे में and that is that you've learned kickboxing as well.
Oh अच्छा.
But I became very curious. Was there a reason why? Like, was it related to fitness or was it something different?
No, it was actually so I always used to enjoy it. पहले भी जब मैं वर्कआउट करती थी तो वहाँ पे कभी-कभी वो लोग क्लासेस में करा देते थे बॉक्सिंग एंड किक बॉक्सिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो मुझे मज़ा आता था. फिर मेरा वो जिम आई थिंक छूट गया. Then I once saw Mrunal doing kickboxing. She had posted a video with who is now my trainer Rohit, and I asked her कि who is he, and I really enjoy doing kickboxing. तो she told me it's a trainer. और उसने बोला हाँ प्लीज़ go ahead and I mean just go ahead message him. So then I found this trainer who has changed my life, and he was he's done some championship, yeah, world championship or something he was a part of.
Wow.
मुझे याद नहीं है. But yeah, so with him I have started doing kickboxing, MMA. We also went to Thailand because वहाँ पे Muay Thai और ये सब बहुत होता है, तो वहाँ जाके हमने किया to train. We used to train so much. It was so much fun. I really want to go again now.
I want to go now.
So much
Because I've
fun.
always thought ki in a way I asked you this question was because so I've become very self-aware about my own protection. So that is why I asked you this question, because that maybe you also maybe were we go thinking about that same thing. तो मुझे भी वो चीज़ हुआ कि maybe there's something that I need to learn for myself.
Okay.
Because I feel कि वो मुझे करना चाहिए, because it might just give me more confidence in, you know, walking the streets alone or just being alone and everywhere. Yeah.
Not that I did it for this reason, but कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि when I'm like walking on the street, अच्छा अगर इसने ऐसे कुछ किया तो इसको ऐसे पकड़ के ऐसे किक मार दूंगी, तो दिमाग में चलता रहता है.
Yes, exactly. You're walking on the street and you keep thinking those thoughts only.
Yeah.
When you're sitting in a cab and everything. So you keep doing that.
Yeah.
तो इसलिए I was thinking कि मैं ही अकेली हूँ जिसको ऐसा feeling हो रहा है, या फिर और भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं.
Yeah, I did not start it because of this. I mean,
Obviously.
I really enjoy this form is why, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि workout करते करो but मतलब you need that change बीच में. And that's why I'm not like stagnant to any one particular form of workout. I keep doing different kinds. So then I found Rohit through Mrunal, and yeah, तब से we पहले तो काफ़ी करते थे, कभी-कभी मतलब we try doing once a week at least, but we also went to Phuket. वहाँ पे Muay Thai का पूरा एक lane है जहाँ पे they have these different kind of gym. It was so good. मतलब I will tell you आराम से बाद में in detail, but that entire street, it's filled with different kinds of gyms. Steam, ice bath, और जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे पान नुक्कड़ की वो होती है ना शॉप, हर 2 मिनट पे ऐसे 2 मिनट वॉक किया फिर एक नहीं, वैसे ही वहाँ पे हर 2 मिनट पे they used to have प्रोटीन शेक की छोटे शॉप्स, like they would mix all these fruits in protein powder and those protein smoothies. जैसे यहाँ पे पान बीड़ी की शॉप है, वैसे ही उस पूरी स्ट्रीट में ऐसी शॉप्स है.
The comparison.
Yeah, but it was a lot
Super.
of fun. So then yeah, I do it because I enjoy it, and that was my reason. But I मतलब God forbid ऐसा ना हो कि मुझे ज़रूरत पड़े, but अगर कभी पड़ी तो I really
You
hope,
know how to do it.
I really hope. Because you never know.
Call to action, yeah, obviously.
Because this point पे यार you never know, and you know we girls are थोड़ा physically weak, no? है तो physically weak जब भी है तो है.
If comparing strength, तो obviously.
Yeah, and I'm not like
strength.
a pro.
Yeah.
मतलब ये मैं वो कर रही हूँ सीक्रेट आउट की नहीं, मुझे नहीं आता है, आता है सब आता है भाई. चिढ़ना मत कोई.
Okay.
But I'm just saying that I did it for fun.
Cool. Okay. You know, you talk a lot about your friends. Like, यहाँ पे आना भी it happened because of a friend,
because of a
and
friend.
she connected you
Yeah,
with
yeah,
people and everything. And that is why I think it's perfect to ask you this question, Asha. Throughout this journey, you know, मेरे को बहुत लोगों ने बोला है कि ऐसे फ्रेंडशिप कुछ नहीं होती इस इंडस्ट्री में. There are no friends. They are all just here for one reason, and for that is their own selfish gains. So there can be no friendships over here जो एकदम अटूट है या something. But when we look at you and we look at your social media also या फिर कहीं पे भी, it's like and the way how you talk about your friends, it comes from a place of love and a lot of warmth. So did you ever encounter the same point of view कि friends यहाँ नहीं होते, and maybe you thought कि वैसा नहीं होगा, but बाद में you were proven wrong by your own friends कि नहीं, दोस्ती है actually में होती है यहाँ पे?
So I never thought about it like that. जब से आई थी, यू मीट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, यू मेक अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, एंड मुझे कितने यार 12 से ऊपर साल हो गए हैं, केम इन 2011,
Exactly.
12-13 साल हो गए हैं. सो आई हैव मेट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, आई हैव मेड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, बट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कुछ इक्का दुक्का इंडस्ट्री के फ्रेंड्स हैं जो आई नो आई हैव लाइक फ्रेंड्स फॉर लाइफ. वन इज Karan Wahi, then I have Riddhi Dogra. So, but I think I don't have many friends from the industry, and I wouldn't say कि सब मतलब के लिए हैं and all of that. I really believe in giving people their space, respecting their space, and बच्चे तो है नहीं कि अच्छा तू नहीं मिल रहा है या तू नहीं मिल रही है तो मैं तुझसे गुस्सा हूँ या फिर attitude दिखाओ एक दूसरे को. Everybody is busy in their lives, and because I am a person like that, इसीलिए I also respect people who respect my space, and I respect their space. So, and especially Wahi is somebody who is like me. तो हमारी तो I think touch wood कभी लड़ाई नहीं हुई है. And we are there. Like if we need each other, if आज कल के दिन वो मुझे कॉल करके बोले कि I'm in a very vulnerable position right now, or situation, or whatever, I'm going through this, can you come? I'll be there. I'll keep him my priority, and vice versa. So I believe in such kind of friendships कि मतलब तुम हर आए दिन नहीं मिल रहे हो, तुम महीनों तक भी नहीं मिल रहे हो,
Exactly.
तुम 2-2 महीने तक तुम्हारी बात नहीं हुई है, but when the other person needs you, you are there. तुम उसके खुशी गम में हो.
That's the
खुशी
best
में
one.
हो नहीं भी हो यार, if the other
Exactly.
person needs you मुश्किल टाइम पे तो वो तुम हो. तो that is friendship for me. Because शायद maybe with age and with experience तुम थोड़े mature हो जाते हो, तो now for me this is what friendship is. Like my best friend is from Dehradun. We became friends when we were in class 10th, 2005 के आसपास.
Wow.
And तब से we've been best friends. She's my childhood best friend एक तरीके से. हम कभी एक दूसरे को फोन नहीं करते.
The same thing has happened with my school friend as well.
Yeah.
Same चीज, same
Yeah.
है. हम लोग स्कूल में 4th grade से साथ में. And right now she's in Dubai. She's married also. And I didn't even get the chance to end up going to her marriage. But we are still in touch with each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just happy for each other.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then हम एक साल हो जाएगा एक दूसरे को फोन नहीं करेंगे, फिर अगर मैं देहरादून में होंगी then she would just come and she would not leave until I leave Dehradun. And then I'm planning my birthday trip to the mountains, so she's coming.
You love the mountains.
I love, because I'm from the mountains, so.
Yeah, that's why.
That also, and पता नहीं होगा कुछ करने का. I don't know.
I love the mountains. I'm not from the mountains, but I love them.
You love the mountains.
Yeah.
See?
I'm a Bengali, but I'm not from Calcutta also.
Call me for food now.
Definitely.
Please.
Mama makes very good food.
Really?
These people are evidences. ये लोग ने already खा लिया.
Please call me for a meal.
Next वाला meal पर होगा.
Yeah.
Home cooked meal.
Let's do that.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Home cooked meal पर
And we can
holistic
talk
चीजों के
about
बारे में बात.
aliens and or we can talk about anything, whatever you want.
Let's talk about aliens only. And the
You
end
know,
of the world.
afterlife.
Yes. Oh my God. Let's not go on that tangent now.
Not right now. That is for
वरना फिर
another
चलता
podcast.
रहेगा.
Yeah.
Okay. So now comes the question I told you. एक question था जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पूछना था.
हाँ.
So, looking at a woman, okay, in society, a woman is told to be ambitious. She's told to be the nurturer as well.
Yeah.
But according to you,
Yeah.
what do you define a woman in this age and in this society as?
Yeah, whatever she wants to do. If she's ambitious and wants to focus on her ambition, her work, I mean, please go for it. If she wants to be a nurturer, a housewife, I mean, that is no less. It is a very difficult job.
Absolutely.
And I think personally, I believe in having a balance of both. I am ambitious, but I would love to be both.
But how
In
do
a
you
way.
maintain that balance, Asha? Because I'll just give you an example. So हम लोग के यहाँ पे there are very less women entrepreneurs in media industry. Now obviously there's a lot
Yeah.
growing as well, and I keep hoping that there will be more. But जब हम लोग पहले enter किए थे, there was very few women entrepreneurs, and we had no backing whatsoever. Our invested money, everything our खुद का. So,
Yeah.
but there was a lot of perspectives that and opinions about us.
yeah. People
And
have a problem
somehow-
with that.
Yeah, and you know, when people see successful women
Yeah.
or ambitious women, they
हाँ.
kind of get very intimidated by them.
Yeah.
And they are like कि तुम सब कुछ खुद कर लेते हो. दो तरीके का होता है, या तो उन लोग ज्यादा फॉरवर्ड होके बोलते हैं कि हम कर देते हैं, हम कर देते हैं, या फिर ऐसे हो जाते हैं कि उन लोग बहुत कैजुअल और ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं कि ये लोग तो सब कुछ कर ही लेंगे खुद
Yeah.
का. But how do you balance it out and show कि maybe you know there is a point where I need the right kind of love and the respect from a opposite person? How do you understand that? कैसे lie वो balance फिर?
Yeah, I think it is happening धीरे धीरे, and earlier it used to be worse, and
Yeah.
It has become a lot better now, I feel. But you know, I've never been a fan of being aggressively wanting to get that right or fight for my rights or the rights of women in general. I feel ki I remember Priyanka Chopra said one of her interviews, fight gently. Even Meryl Streep. See, this is my personal perspective. I might be wrong, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I'm not one of those women who would in the end be aggressive about her demands or equality. I would just come, do my work, like give my 100%, 200%, and I love my peace. I don't want to disrupt my peace and fight for anything. Fighting is not my thing. In fact, sometimes when I think of it, I feel coming from a small town, from Dehradun, people, even I remember this one girl. So at home we do the household chores, okay? Like
Yeah.
my mom, she doesn't have anybody to help her. She doesn't like it. And this one girl, she saw me doing jhadu or something at home, and she's like, "Oh, ये बनेगी Miss Uttarakhand." I remember. Okay, that's what she said. So मुझे थोड़ा बुरा लगा था. But then look at where I am today. I mean, not even Miss Uttarakhand. I came to Bombay all the way. I became an actor. And I feel it's better to be quiet and keep doing your work. Like, this is what I feel. This is how I like. I'm not saying other women who actually fight for it, they are wrong or anything. Everybody has their own style. But I feel coming from a small town like Dehradun to Mumbai, becoming an actor, doing what I love, I think this is an example for all the girls who are living in small towns or a part of small towns and want to do something big. This is how silently I am being a part of feminism, and this is how I like it.
But what about if we are this way and then we encounter the alpha male, the one that you know everybody keeps talking about? What is your take on that? Like having an alpha male in someone's life?
Your toxic alpha male is a problem. Alpha male, I don't have a problem with. Everybody likes alpha male. But toxicity is the problem. When they take decision on behalf of their whatever.
Yeah.
That is a problem, but I think that depends on person to person. We have a lot of men who are actually supporting women, and
That is very true.
you know, I feel it is. It really depends on person to person. It is not men against women or women against men. There are so many men who are, you know, encouraging, always supporting women, and there are so many women who are encouraging their men or men in general, supporting them, and there are people who just want to, you know,
Do
demean-
kalesh.
do kalesh and demean the other sex or whatever.
Exactly.
Then that is a person problem. It is not a sex problem. Like, I don't know. I want to. I love seeing the world in this lens. कि सब अच्छा है.
No, but that's a good thing also.
Yeah.
Like, obviously, you are seeing everything in white, maybe,
Yeah.
but then you are keeping yourself happy. And I think
It's a
at the end of the
sanity,
day,
yeah, for my sanity.
that is what we are trying to attain in life. So
yeah.
it's the end result.
Yeah.
And you're getting it faster.
And you are at peace.
Exactly.
A lot of time, a lot of friends of mine have been not very happy with this perspective of mine. But this is how I like it, and I would like to do it. It's a very personal thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you ever have any awkward dating experiences? I'm actually very curious to know this. Like, मुझे मजेदार पता है किससे. Like, there was this one date that my sister had gone to, and the person over there just constantly cribbed about his life. And the second thing that he did was, which was a big turn off, was he constantly kept talking about his ex.
Oh.
Yeah, apparently the ex was, I don't know, going through something
He
or
probably
anything.
was not over.
Yeah, and then why are you here?
Yeah,
And why are you telling this to me? And it was very awkward for her because he kept
Yeah.
asking her opinion on his ex.
Yeah.
Why she did this to me and why do you think this happened with me? And that was exactly.
Bichari.
She was traumatized, and when she
Yeah.
said it to me, I didn't have any words. I was speechless. I was like, ऐसे भी लोग हो सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Have you ever had this kind of an experience?
यार, would it be funny if I say that मैं कभी डेट पे नहीं गई हूँ?
मैं नहीं गई हूँ.
है ना?
मैं नहीं गई हूँ. मैं ऑनलाइन डेटिंग में भी नहीं हूँ.
हाँ, सेम.
हाँ, मेरी बहन ने मेरे को बोल दिया है कि वैसे में भी क्या ही फायदा, जाके जाने तो मिलेगा नहीं डेट पे.
मैं डेट पे ही नहीं गई हूँ, पता है. All my life I have just like met somebody, become friends, dated them. कभी ऐसे कि ऐसे random like किसी से थोड़ी सी बात हुई हो कि
हाँ.
let's meet and let's go on a date, नहीं हुआ है कभी.
कभी नहीं हुआ ना. मेरे साथ भी नहीं होता. उस तरीके से नहीं हो
है ना?
पाता. I don't know why. I don't meet a person and immediately think कि हाँ चलो इसके साथ जा सकते हैं.
डेट पे जाते हैं.
वही.
And थोड़ा नर्वसनेस भी हो जाती है ना उसमें. लाइक फर्स्ट आई थिंक बिकम फ्रेंड. वो चिल जोन में ओ मुझे नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है, तुझे नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है, एंड शुरू हो गया.
Exactly.
वो
उस तरीके से
नेचुरल तरीका. या बट अब तो वो भी नहीं हो रहा है. सीरियसली.
I think the pool has lessened. It's an ongoing thought. The pool.
Yeah, but the thing is, I see a lot of people, men and women, saying the same thing. Ki there is nobody, there is nobody, there is nobody. But there are so many people. Like मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि या तो ये लोग घर पे बैठे रहते हैं, बाहर नहीं निकलते, तो मिलना मिलाना नहीं होता इन लोगों का, जो हम जैसे लोग. तो है ना? Because lot of time my friends have said कि यार बाहर नहीं निकलेगी तो कैसे कोई मिलेगा?
मेरा सेम है. मेरे को सब लोग ने यही बोला है कि if you want someone, you need to go out there and search for
Go
it.
out there and do something.
But
like,
I do have an example. My sister is going out there and searching
But
for
still.
it, but she's getting all these awkward experiences.
coming and talking about their
Exactly. So how does it make sense? What's the difference then?
How would I know? मेरी
Exactly.
तो खुद की बैंड बज रही है.
आशा खुद ही मुझसे एक्सपीरियंस क्या एडवाइस लेगी.
You guys, देखो, if somebody loves staying at home but is trying to find love, how do they do that? This is our question. Please guys help us. But हम घर से नहीं निकलेंगे.
Yeah, that's a condition. मुझे तो बिल्कुल नहीं निकलना. Please.
Yeah. लोग बोलते हैं ना कि अच्छा Amazon वाले भैया जो आता है तुम्हारे घर पे पार्सल देने के लिए, तो वो ही मिलेंगे.
Oh God, recently I watched a K-drama. Do you watch K-dramas?
यार नहीं.
Oh, चलेगा. Not a lot of people watch it, but I recently watched a K-drama.
People are becoming fans
Yes,
of
and
K-drama.
Recently I watched a K-drama and उसमें वो लड़का पहले, he was not a delivery man, but he was just delivering something जो by mistake came to his house, and he met the girl for the first time, and he fell in love with her, and I was like, dude, if it could be this handsome, then it's okay.
Yeah. I know.
Otherwise,
but
no.
इस हाल में तो I think Zomato और Amazon वाले भैया बचेगा.
I don't want to think about it.
I know, but it is the truth. जिस हिसाब से हम लोग कुछ effort नहीं डाल, but बाहर जाके भी क्या
But you know,
होता
right now, these days, you any which ways don't feel the need to go on dates, because कहीं ना कहीं this modern dating thing and Gen Z's का जो dating वो है structure
Yeah.
है, it's become very in a way certainly little toxic as well. Like there's situationships happening,
Yeah,
which I don't
yeah.
understand how it is different from friends
Yeah.
with benefits or anything.
Yeah.
And then there is another thing like zombieing and this
हाँ, zombie.
and that.
I heard.
Yeah, and
This-
I just don't understand how you do this.
Ghosting and zombieing.
Yeah, हमारे टाइम पे ये सब चीजें हमारे टाइम पे
हमारे I know what you mean. यार हमारे टाइम पे तो वो होता था ना, छत पे चली
Exactly.
गई तो फिर वो भी छत पे आ गया और फिर उसमें आंखों ही आंखों में romance
Exactly.
कितना ब्यूटीफुल होता था.
Yeah, there's no nazakat only in any of
Have
the
you seen
romance.
लैला मजनू?
Yes.
बड़ा फिल्म ना, मुझे
Yeah.
वो वाला रोमांस बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I love लैला मजनू. वो छोटे शहर का रोमांस, काली गाड़ी में वो ऐसे पीछे कर रहा है.
Exactly.
So beautiful.
तो
Beautiful मतलब.
yeah, so these things are something that we aspire in our
Yeah.
life and in our love life, but वो चीज होता नहीं है.
नहीं,
All
अब
we
तो
are
बहुत
getting is
change हो
this.
गया है. And पता है कहीं ना कहीं ये भी हो गया है, even though we want somebody in our life, but कहीं ना कहीं एक contentment भी आ गई है. We are content.
It was very enjoyable for me.
Yeah, same.
And we really need to do more conversations like this क्योंकि हमारी बात खत्म ही नहीं होगी.
है ना?
I know.
मुझे तो लग रहा है ये तो बहुत छोटा इंटरव्यू था, तो और 1-2 घंटे बात करनी चाहिए थी.
But we have a lot planned for you actually.
Yeah. Nice. I would love to be here for some more time.
Cool. She's fallen in love with Pop Diaries and Pop
Yeah.
Diaries is in love with Asha Negi. So that was me, Manjari Mukherjee, signing off from Pop Diaries. And please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell icon. Definitely don't forget to comment and tell us what you love about Asha.